Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block someone on Instagram. Friends, due to any reason, if you want to block someone on Instagram, then you simply need to press on your profile icon and here you need to press on followers. Now here you need to search the person. Now suppose I want to block this person. For that I need to open his profile. And here press on these three dots and press on block. And press on block again. Now friends, we have blocked this person on our Instagram. So friends, like this you can very easily block someone on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.